Make friends. Search for the keyword of interest in the search bar. Posts and friends that contain keywords appear separately. Look at the content of the post, check the author's profile, and make sure they are the ones that interest you. If you want to be a friend, click the Request button at the top of a friend's profile to apply for Lingpals. After requested, you can check if a friend accepted the Lingpals after clicking the Lingpals button on the main page. After you become a friend, you can send and receive messages and phone calls.